In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the Spending Tracker app and help you determine if it's the right tool for you. Spending Tracker is designed to make logging your income and expenses a breeze, helping you maintain control over where and how you spend your money. This app presents you with a straightforward interface, which makes setting up budgets or goals for different timeframes, be it weekly, monthly, or yearly, very accessible. However, it's important to note that this app requires you to manually enter transactions in most cases, as it doesn't automatically sync with your bank accounts. So, if you're looking for a more manual or semi automatic approach, this might just be the perfect app for you. One of the major highlights of Spending Tracker is its simplicity and intuitive design. You can swiftly add your expenses and income with ease. Plus, it offers you great flexibility by allowing you to track your spending over various time frames. Another advantage is its budget mode, which lets you set a fixed budget for a chosen period while also providing the option to carry over any remaining budget. The app offers a clear summary view, breaking down each category to visually show you where your money is going. Moreover, for those who frequently deal with more than one currency, multi-currency support is also available. With manual transaction entry, you can keep a detailed log of your expenses and income, sorting them by date, name, or amount. Amazingly, there is also a free version available, making it a great way to start without any upfront cost. Of course, opting for the premium upgrade will unlock additional features. Many users appreciate how easy the app is to use, as it simplifies the process of adding transactions and reviewing spending patterns. Using the app can boost your awareness and control over your spending habits, aiding in money-saving endeavors. It's particularly beneficial for those with simple financial structures who wish to keep track of daily spending. On the flip side, the spending tracker does have some drawbacks. Since it doesn't automatically connect to most bank accounts, you'll need to manually input transactions, which could be seen as a time-consuming task for some. Additionally, users have reported incidents of incorrect calculations when it comes to remaining budget or balances. And for those looking for more advanced features, like investment tracking or multi-device synchronization, you might find this app lacking. Spending Tracker is best suited for individuals with basic to moderate financial tracking needs. If simple budgeting and keeping tabs on daily expenses aligns with your requirements, this app could work well for you. However, if your financial tracking needs are complex, requiring features like automated bank linking or detailed reports, you may need to look for other alternatives. Is it worth it in 2025? Yes, as long as your expectations align with what Spending Tracker offers. It provides simplicity and ease of use for those ready to input their own transactions. For many, it will be a valuable resource, but if you're seeking deeper financial analysis and automation, you might quickly outgrow Spending Tracker and wish to explore other options. So remember, it's all about setting the right expectations and finding the right fit for you.